more than 75,000, the probability is 0.085. The randomly selected individual in the country earns more than per year, given that the individual has earned a bachelor's degree. So more, given, this is a key word, this word, given or knowing that, or given that, or knowing that, or having information that, something like that, has earned a bachelor's degree is 0.215. Are the events earn more than 75,000 per year and earn the bachelor's degree independent? Okay. So we are given the probability that they earn more than 75,000 is 0.085, and the probability that given, so they earn more than 75,000, given that they have a bachelor's degree. This is basically the probability of both, right? More than 75,000 and bachelor's degree divided by the probability of bachelor's degree, a BA. So when we talk about independent, remember, we have the probability, probability of more, and bachelor's degree has to equal the probability of more, earning more than 75,000, multiplied by the probability of bachelor's degree. This is the only situation in which the events are independent. If the probability for having more times the probability of bachelor's degree, when we multiply them, we get this. Okay? So you can say, fine, that's the theory behind it, but you don't have the probability of this. You're not given this. You only have is this, and you are told that the probability for earning more, given that they have a bachelor's degree, is different than this. So obviously the events cannot be independent. They have to be dependent. But I cannot illustrate with the relationship in which, because I don't have this probability, the probability of more and bachelor's degree at the same time. I do not have this piece, and I do not have this piece. But I see that knowing something changes this probability. It's no longer 0.085. It's lower or higher. It doesn't matter which direction it changes it. But knowing this, they cannot be independent. Because knowing this probability changed the initial probability for more than 75,000. If I didn't know this, or if I know this, the probability should stay the same. It doesn't matter if they're independent. But because the probability, knowing that this has happened, a person has a bachelor's, to earn more than 75,000 is not the same with the previous one, because I cannot illustrate with the definition, because I do not have these probabilities, this one and this one. If you give me these two, I multiply them. If this product is this, then I'll say they are independent. But I do not have them. But it's very clear from the problem that they are not independent, because this probability changes. It would have stayed the same if these were independent. So are these events independent? No. Okay, we have three more problems, but I think that these will take a little longer to explain, so I would prefer leaving them for Wednesday, only because I would like us to test StatCrunch. If you say I'd rather test StatCrunch on Wednesday, that's fine by me, and we can continue with this, although we will not be able to finish in, 7 minutes. no, 10 minutes. We're not going to be able to finish all these. 13, 14, 15, 16.
I think doing StatCrunch is good.
Yeah, because these are more involving and I need more time to explain. Maybe this one is not going to be a long problem. Let's look at 16. Yeah, so these are with contingencies tables and stuff. They require more time. So these, I will prefer leaving these 4 problems for Wednesday, and then we start chapter 6. So I would like now to let me go. Where is my course? Right here. Okay, here it is. Okay, so in Honor I'll show you what I did. I created one little problem. It's not graded. Okay, so in the settings, before you start, so all these are checked. Also, I put in this link because it has to be there. So you can enter StatCrunch. I also put a request to them. Please allow students to get to blah, blah, blah. And from there, once they log in to StatCrunch. And I put it in different places so there is no discussion with these people. Okay, so let's just give it a try. And click on Unlock. And go to this. You may have to go through the security check, whatever, and just let me know what's happening.